So I got my DJI Pocket 3 on launch day, and I saw maybe half of a YouTube video, and I put it right in my cart, purchased it, and I also pre-ordered the ND filters because I knew I was going to love this thing. I love DJI products, and I already had the Pocket 2, and I love that thing. But once I saw that this Pocket 3 had 10-bit D-Log, a 1-inch sensor, and a bigger screen and all that stuff, I instantly was sold. And there was some rumors, a week or so beforehand, but I had been waiting for them to update the Pocket camera for a while. Now, I am somebody that uses a Canon R5, R50, Blackmagic 6K Pro, and a G2, and a lot of stuff for the recording studio here. So I do video work as well as pro audio work, but my main thing is audio. But recently I've been very into video. I put out a video in October talking about the internal microphone for the DJI MIC 2 and how I was not impressed with the sound quality coming from the Pocket 2 and its microphone. And so some of you guys heard the differences. Some people said it was fine for them. And I think if you are hearing it on a phone, then you don't really hear the differences because it's cutting out. The phone doesn't have low end or anything like that, so you're just hearing the top end. And even me listening to that video on my phone, I couldn't hear the difference. But with headphones on or proper speakers, monitors, you can hear the difference. And when I was watching other YouTube videos while waiting for my Pocket 3 to come, it's one thing I noticed right away as soon as they went from the DJI Pocket 3's microphone inside the camera to the transmitter. I could hear an instant muffly sound. So anyway, it was brought to my attention in the comment section that there was a firmware update. Nobody else had told me this. I don't really pay attention to every single firmware update for everything I own because that's just I have a lot of other stuff I have to do in my life. But anyway, so thank you for letting me know that. And I updated the firmware, so this is basically my follow-up. I am going to play this in concert with the video I had already put out, so if we can hear, to see if we can hear a difference. So that's what this video is for, and I'm just going to let you know that I have the low cut on right now, and I feel like the low cut is definitely a good thing to have on this internal mic when you're using it, especially because it's going to help out with any kind of noises wherever you're at, you know what I mean? So anyway, this is me talking, this is me talking. This is the DJI MIC 2 with the newest firmware update. Well, hello world, welcome to Raccoon Studios. I'm Sean Bombs, and today I want to talk about the one thing that I haven't heard anybody talk about with the DJI Pocket 3. This is me talking, this is me talking. This is the DJI MIC 2 with the newest firmware update. Well, hello world, welcome to Raccoon Studios. I'm Sean Bombs, and today I want to talk about the one thing that I haven't heard anybody talk about with the DJI Pocket 3. This is me talking, this is me talking. This is the DJI MIC 2 with the newest firmware update. I don't remember the DJI Pocket 2's microphone sound. In fact, I thought that one sounded pretty damn good. This is me talking, this is me talking. This is the DJI MIC 2 with the newest firmware update. I don't remember the DJI Pocket 2's microphone sound. In fact, I thought that one sounded pretty damn good. Alright, so could you guys hear a difference? Let me know in the comments down below. If you couldn't hear a difference, or if it never bothered you to begin with, then it's not really a big deal. I never thought it was a deal breaker for any of this. I just wanted to bring it to others' attention in case they, were just banking on using just the transmitter without an external lab or anything like that. But, it is a good product, and I didn't diss it in the previous video, but, you know, I was just, you know, sharing my thoughts on it. And so let me know, like I said, down below, if you think there's a difference. Am I tripping? Let me know. Bye.